Discover the refined features of the Numatic Henry Quick Stick vacuum cleaner, a perfect fusion of power, innovation, and effortless design. 25-volt detachable battery provides robust suction with up to 70 minutes of runtime in normal mode and up to 16 minutes in boost mode. The battery is easily removed and can be charged separately for greater flexibility. Motorized floor brush, engineered to handle low to medium pile carpets and hard floors, offering exceptional cleaning performance with its switchable brush. Two configurations, seamlessly transition between reach mode for accessing hard-to-reach areas and handheld mode for quick cleanups and detailed tasks. Variable suction settings, adjust between normal mode for everyday cleaning and boost mode for tougher dirt and deeper cleaning on carpets. Bagged pod system. The innovative 1-liter disposable pod system ensures a mess-free, dust-free and hygienic cleaning experience. One-click emptying. Enjoy effortless maintenance with one-click dust container emptying, designed for maximum convenience. Lightweight design. At just £7, the Henry Quick is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around your home. Wall mount. Store your vacuum with ease using the included wall mount, keeping it ready for your next clean. The Numatic Henry Quick Cordless combines power, versatility and convenience to redefine your everyday cleaning routine.